Hey everybody, it's Phineas. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, this is a list of 25 things your mother told you that work. And this is in honor of Mother's Day. My mother passed away like 5 years ago. Me and my sister still joke, like, growing up, we never thought she was right. Now looking back, it's like she was never wrong. Moms know stuff. The whole time growing up, everything she said, we just kind of blew off and like, you don't know what you're talking about, Mom. Now I'm an adult, look back and say, man, she was right about everything she said. All right, so this is a cool list. 12 things your mother should have, 25 things your mother should have told you. It's just cool hacks. And listen to some of these. I'll fly through it quick. There is 25, but I'll try to go quick on this one. Number one, take your bananas apart when you get home from the store. If you leave them connected at the stem, they ripen faster. I never knew that. And bananas my favorite fruit. So whenever you get a bunch home, take them off. And they'll last longer. I never knew that. Number two, store your open chunks of cheese in aluminum foil. It will stay fresh much longer and not mold. That's a good one. I never knew that either. Number three, peppers with 3 bumps on the bottom are sweeter and better before eating. Peppers with 4 bumps on the bottom are firmer and better for cooking. See, I love this stuff like this. Did you guys know that one? Number four, add a teaspoon of water when frying ground beef. It will help pull grease away from the meat while cooking. Sometimes I add water too, but I didn't know that was the reason. Number five, to make scrambled eggs or omelets very rich, add a couple of spoonfuls of sour cream, cream cheese, or heavy cream, and then beat them up. I never thought about adding that kind of stuff to my omelets. Number six, for a cool brownie treat, make brownies as directed. Melt Andes mints in a double broiler and pour over warm brownies. Let it sit for a wonderful minty frosting. Ooh. When we used to go to Olive Garden, they would give you 2 Andes mints with that big ass bill, that big check at the end of the dinner. Those are good. Number seven, add garlic immediately to a recipe if you want a light taste of garlic, and at the end of the recipe if you want a stronger taste of garlic. See, I would never have thought of that. Number eight, okay, this is a good one. Leftover Snicker bars from Halloween make a delicious dessert. Chop them up in a food chopper. You could probably chop them with a knife too. Peel, core, and slice a few apples. Place them in a baking dish. Sprinkle with the chopped candy bars over the apples. Bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Serve alone or with vanilla ice cream. Or I think Cool Whip would be good on top of that. That actually sounds good. Number nine, reheat pizza. Heat leftover pizza in a non-stick skillet on the top of the stove. Set heat to medium-low and heat till warm. This keeps the crust crispy. No soggy microwave pizza. I saw this on the cooking channel and it really works. Number 10, deviled eggs. I love deviled eggs. There's so much work though. I love them though. Put cooked egg yolks in a Ziploc bag. Seal. Mash till they're broken up. Add remainder of ingredients. Reseal. Keep mashing it. Cut the tip of the baggie. Squeeze the mixture into the egg. Just throw the bag away when you're done. Easy clean up. I have seen that before. I've never done it that way before, but I have seen that before. Number 11, expanding frosting. When you buy a container of cake frosting from the store, whip it with your mixer for a few minutes. You can double it in its size. You get to frost more cakes and cupcakes for the same amount. You also eat less sugar and calories per serving. Oh, I like that. I also add, remember in the ding dong cake recipe that we did, add a little milk to the frosting before you whip it up. Man, it gets all smooth and creamy, and you can spread it easier. That's a good one, though. You can double the size of your frosting you get just by whipping it. Number 12, reheat refrigerated bread to warm biscuits, pancakes, muffins that were refrigerated. Place them in a microwave with a cup of water. The increased moisture will keep the food moist and help it reheat faster. Number 13, newspaper weeds away. Start putting newspaper in your plants. Work the nutrients in your soil. Wet newspapers, put layers around the plants overlapping as you go. Cover with mulch and forget about the weeds. Weeds will get through some gardening plastic, but will not get through wet newspapers. Okay. 14, broken glass. Use a wet cotton ball or Q-tip to pick up small shards of glass you can't see easily. Oh, I like that. Man, they get so small you can't pick them up, but you'll get them in your fingers. That's a good one. Number 15, out of 25. We're almost done. We're getting there. No more mosquitoes. Place a dryer sheet in your pocket. It will help keep mosquitoes away. Oh, okay, so if you're cooking out in the back porch or around the bonfire or whatever, put a dryer sheet in your pocket and I guess it keeps mosquitoes away. I wonder how good it works. Number 6, squirrel away. I like squirrels. I feed the squirrels. To keep squirrels from eating your plants, but I do have a garden, so I want to listen to this. Sprinkle your plants with cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper doesn't hurt the plant, and the squirrels won't come near it. I have heard that before. Number 17, flexible vacuum. To get something out of a heat register or under the fridge, add an empty paper towel roll or gift wrap roll to your vacuum. It can be bent or flattened. It's getting there. Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. You can take a roll of paper towels, the empty roll, put it into your vacuum, maybe tape it, yeah, see, and then squish, like flatten the other end of the paper towel roll, and you can get under your fridge and get through cracks and crevices. That's pretty cool. All right, number 18, reduce static cling. Pin a small safety pin to the seam of your slip. I don't know what slip is. Oh, like women wear, and you will not have a clingy skirt or dress. Same thing works with slacks that cling when wearing pantyhose. Place pin in seam of slacks, and guess what? Static is gone. I don't know. I don't know what I just read. All right. Maybe you guys understood that. Okay, number 19, measuring cups. Before you pour sticky substances into a measuring cup, fill with hot water. Dump out the hot water, but don't dry the cup. Next, add your ingredients, such as peanut butter, and watch it slowly, easily come out. Or spray measuring cup, spoon, or with pan before using. I didn't know the hot water trick. I like that. Number 20, foggy windshield. Hate foggy windshields? Buy a chalkboard eraser and keep it in the glove box of your car. When the windows fog, rub it with the eraser. Works better than a cloth. Oh, I don't know that one either. Number 21, reopening envelopes. If you seal an envelope and then realize you forgot to include something inside, and I've done that before. I always cut the side of the envelope, stick it in there, and then tape it up. Just place your sealed envelope in the freezer for an hour or two. Voila, it unseals easily. I never knew that either. I love stuff like this. Number 22, conditioner. I don't have any hair left. Use your hair conditioner to shave your legs. No. It's cheaper than shaving cream and leaves your legs really smooth. It's also a great way to use up the conditioner you bought but didn't like when you tried it in your hair. Oh, okay, I get that. Number 23, goodbye fruit flies. To get rid of pesky fruit flies, take a small glass, fill it half up with apple cider vinegar and 2 drops of Dawn. Mix well. You'll find those flies drawn to the cup and gone forever. Number 24, get rid of ants. Put small piles of cornmeal, I have heard this one, where you see ants. They eat it and take it home, can't digest it, so it kills them. It may take a week or so, especially if it rains, but it works, and you don't have to worry about pets or small children being harmed. Okay, that's good for the pets and children. Last one, stuff mom told you about. And mom's always right. That's a cliche, but it's true. Number 25, dryer filter. Even if you are very diligent about cleaning your lint filter in your dryer, which I'm very diligent. My sister's terrible at it. It may still be causing you a problem. If you use dryer sheets, a waxy buildup could be accumulating on the filter, causing your dryer to overheat. See, I don't use dryer sheets. I didn't know that it did that. It's just another expense, and it really doesn't do much. The solution to this is clean your filter with a toothbrush and hot soapy water every 6 months. I've never cleaned that trap out. I mean, I cleaned the lint off it, but I've never washed it in the sink with soapy water. So I guess like waxy buildup you can't see might clog the filter. Oh, I like that. So the solution is to clean your filter with a toothbrush and hot soapy water every 6 months. I'm actually going to do that. I've never done it my entire life, but it can't hurt in probably 60 seconds. So I'm going to actually do that one. I'm going to do that one. I'm putting on my list for this weekend. So what did you guys think of those? I love stuff like that. It's such cool little tricks. And this honors Mother's Day because it's Mother's always right. A lot of times it's true. And let me know what you thought about those tips. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. And put your tips in the comments too. And then if you like the video, thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And I will see you guys on the next one. Happy Mother's Day, everybody.